Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internet Versicle. So in today's reviews, I have this new cloud app called Crea8AI. Right? This Crea8AI is a very special app in the sense it can generate a lot of marketing content for you. Right? Example, like you want to create some Facebook post, right? You don't know how to write. This AI's cloud is able to auto-generate post to you, the content to you based on certain given keyword, right? And you just need to key in some description of the post and provide a few keywords, and you're able to generate a post to you. This is one of the example. There could be some other things like uh, of course, some others things are is able to generate others. For example, for others content like blog content, it could be some other content like sales page, things like that. Of any advertisements you want to post to the so-called the Google app, things like that. You don't know how to start, how to write. Then this is a really powerful app to help you to complete all these copywriting. Right? So it says the first to market real AI write fresh and human copy for app, social media, email, and more. Okay, if you want to write some email, social media posting, advertisement, things like that, and you don't know how to get started, and they just can giving a keyword and voice also. You don't have to write. Then with this few information, it's able to auto-generate the thing to you. So just to speak to this AI, your personal writing assistant to write effective copy for your blog, social media, and website in faster and effective way. I will show you later in this demo. It's really fantastic, really special, unique app. Right? So this is most advanced and real AI voice copywriting assistant. To create a high converting copy for social media. Okay, this is not a content scraper, not a spinner app. I think we have seen a lot of things like this, right? All these scraper, spinner app that doesn't actually make much difference. It just take the existing content and just spin it and change a little bit. But this is totally fresh AI written copywriting, and there's no something similar can be found. Okay, so basically what you do. So this you will be able to create Facebook app, okay, Google app. Compiling discussion for a link in app, also brainstorm new blog posts, post idea and engaging social media posts, email the result, and comparing product description also. Okay, so what is make AI different from the other two is AI copy trained by human marketer backed by 15 billions or data, and it's fine-tuned with 1 million data, export in multiple format, etc. Okay, and scale your marketing copy infinite time over. Okay. Right. So this is basically some of this. So the AI is FB and OTOs are like 37 or 60. 37 is this so-called front end is unlimited also, and this have so premium and also AI agency. You want to buy this as own agency, right? Okay, you run as an agency, copywriting agency, then you can take this as well. So right, so there's a couple of things here, and this sum up this benefit of this fast, crazy revise of keyword input. It generates everything organic and fresh. The AI copy is fresh and export multiple format or links. A team or client sit and mock-up copy in this final first. Continue training and models come. Commercial license include, and also there's a Crea8AI is backed by the 30 days money back guarantee. So for this, I prepared a lot of bonuses, right? Over 300 item bonuses, right? And also I'm giving away $2 cashback if you buy through my link. Click the link below my video, and you're going to come to my review page, right? And there are two special bonus I'm giving away to you here, and this is the first is the my own product. They have money in this, right? This is going to log into autoresponder, and also you can start so-called I don't have to build a list from the scratch. I'm giving you the list, and you can log into autoresponder and start also monetizing for the list itself. Okay, second is access to 6,000 PLR ebook and video. This is not blended, right? Okay, you are not going to find this kind of bonus in any of any other market. No other marketer is willing to give this kind of bonus to you, right? To be friend to you, right? So front end and then all the OTO, you're able to get these two special bonus, right? So I also giving away some so-called things like wait a second, let me try to refresh this. I think this not refresh yet. Just give me a second. So I'm going to coming soon, right? Okay. Just make some modification. Just forget to refresh it, right? Okay. Just wait a second for me. I'm going to show you the long copy ready. Okay. So this is a correct one. Actually, this is a correct thing. So I'm actually going to show to you here, right? Just give me a second, right? Right, okay, just coming back to this blog post itself, right? Okay, so this is some of the bonuses I'm giving to you here. So learn from view marketing template, right? Okay, you can actually use this. This is very similar to what Crea8AI is giving to you, right? So I'm giving to you another way of writing your own copy content, right? It's very similar product. The product I have here is very similar. Just this is also it comes with 100 template, right? In this 100 template, you can actually put your sales page, landing page, or the upsell Facebook app also, right? In exactly what the Crea8AI is able to do. So in this template, I'm giving you also another added advantage. You can use my automate marketing kit to produce the same things like below, right? Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, so this is one of the bonuses I'm going to give to you, and if you just buy the front end, right, you can able to get this first bonus. The subsequent bonus I have things like 15 free traffic source, right? Okay, top 6 underground traffic sources. This is ultimately to give you more idea of traffic sources. You can promote this using traffic source to promote any affiliate product. And Nova, the best TikTok traffic app also, and the best Instagram traffic JavaScript commission bot, and 3x the best Twitter traffic app also. I'm giving you this social media traffic app to help you to get more social traffic. Exocia is again is a content way to actually engage your social media using this Exocia. You can auto post schedule Instagram post along with Facebook and Twitter, right? Because this is what it do. And the video library giveaway, this is a 250 video. You can actually use it to for your own promote your blog and site, giveaway for engagement, build a membership site, etc. Also, and other reason the seller like include this is also have a Reseller light here is a audio track. You can actually use it to actually produce your audio track for your video, and you don't have to buy audio track, and some more it comes with a Reseller, right? And it's very special, this building training with 100 free solo app. By the end of the training I'm giving to get the 100 free solo app also, right? Okay, and YouTube hack 2021 YouTube channel SEO, some trick I put together, okay, to actually to help you how to say to rank your YouTube video, and this is some of the best trick way to actually rank your YouTube channel by using the trick. I'm using the same high ticket system, how to sell high ticket product, meaning high ticket commission. Super affiliate funnel, I'm giving you 3 best affiliate software you can sell a part of the super affiliate seller, right? Okay, 5802 on the cloud app. This is 5802 to rank your site blog, right? I can actually use it to rank your site and blog, right? And product launch attack. This is a product launch attack is a way to actually get more JV to promote the product. And email search is again, this is emails the way how we can actually use it to so-called to increase your emails open rate and CTR rate, okay, and 250k funnel kit, drag and dot funnel builder, and Whisper is a video creation cloud app also, routed traffic cloud app here, okay, and we have this affiliate store builder, right? So all this is very high quality cloud app put together for your own benefit, right? And free training how to make money on without selling really unique training, no one is ever want to share this kind of thing to you, right? Okay, and I'm all sharing you very unique things. No other marketer is able to give you all this kind of bonuses, right? 100 giveaway again is a build your list using giveaway. This is a video ebook software template. You can use it for different way. And we have the exclusive bonus consisting of 80 top product from famous marketer and over 100 HQ software plugin. You can have a preview here, and all these 300 plus bonuses you're getting for the cost of 37. Right on top there, I'm also giving you $2 cashback, but that is only the $2 cashback is only limited for the first 20 lucky for action taken model. I can't afford to give to everyone, right? So with this kind of bundle of bonuses, I'm again giving you some cashback that is very ridiculously one of the best offer you can ever find on the earth, right? Yeah, so this is 3,000 email shop and complete email marketing access to over 100 this so-called software, and also we have this 80 top product for the marketer I'm giving you to away, and everything is only cost you 37. So if you would like to enjoy get my special bonus here, right? Yeah, please also buy the front end together with one on the OTO. I think the OTO is just only I can see the OTO itself is just only a couple of things, right? Okay, I think it's just only we can see the OTO itself is only 67, right? 37 and 67, you are able to get a full AI. Imagine how much money you can save. You don't have to pay people to write you a copywriting, hire people, right? You can automate this copywriting using your AI, and you can sell this also this copywriting to other people, like under this agency license also, right? And imagine just the front end itself, you're getting a commercial license. Imagine how fantastic is that, right? So commercial license, you just need to able to sell it to other people, right? That's a really attractive thing, right? Right. So that's it for my presentation today on this. Right. So take fast action. Click the link below this video, and you're going to come to my DBP. Click on this button here, and it bring you to this sales page. Inside here, just you just need to grab all these bonuses here, and yeah, that's it. And before I end today's presentation, just quickly show to you on this app itself, so you can have a clear idea of how this whole thing works, right? As part of my demo here, I quickly show to you where is it. So we just have a look into all the different tab I'm open here. So just a second. Okay, so here it go. There's a some pre-recorded video here. You can have a look into how this works. So this is when you sign in here. This is a sign in page to the Crea8AI, right? Okay. So this is with this astronomer here to show you this is something special out of something out of the imagination, right? Okay. So just quickly go in here. You can have a look. This is some of these. You can see these are the thing you can do: the content, Google App Headline, Facebook Post Creator, even Twitter's writer, email writer, LinkedIn Post Creator. You can even do a lot of different things, right? And Facebook app, also this one of the top key area. So let's go through here and headline generator, blog idea, also grammar collection, e-com app from a lot of different things, depending on so many category you can actually tap into it. So first thing, you just need to create a project, give a project name and etc. And let's say in this example is if you are selling a candle, right? A candle maker. So give a project candle maker. So what you need to do is you need to tell who's the audience here, okay, to generate this. This is one of the demo. Okay, teenagers, right? Okay, and you can actually so the second step, you need to provide some product service description, right? Then you can actually use this text to TTS, text to sounds. So you can see this is how we do the technique actually. So we can speak to to this and it can auto generate. Okay. Okay, so you can speak into here. You don't even have to write your. So this is speak to text. Okay, text to okay, speech to so-called we uh, text to speech. Right. Okay, if you auto generate the text for you, speak to text, right? Okay, auto generate the text for you for the product description. Second thing, you just need to key in the keyword. Okay, add in your own keyword here, right? So the keyword is to describe the product service you're going to provide, right? So just put in the keyword, and the main keyword candle flash and things like relaxing, something to describe about your feature of your product, right? And also offers the things like some offer wording like buy one get one, the kind of things, and just create a tone and just submit, and that's it. Your job is done. Then the last you leave it to the AI, the auto generate the thing for you. So that's where the magic starts. So you can see this AI is so clever. You auto generate the post, your Facebook post, right? Okay, okay. And once you're done, you can just click dot more, so you can see. Just be fast track. Okay, so do one, so you can go to the next step. Click a lot more. Click the button. Lot more. Then we actually keep generating more and more. So you can imagine how much profit you can make with this commercial. Like I said, you can sell all this content to the fiber and make a lot of money out of this product, right? Okay, so that is one of the fantastic part. I want to show to you a lot more. So the moment you create a lot more, then we actually keep, if we keep producing the content, the posts again and again. So once it's done, you can preview this. Okay, so you can preview this content, right? Okay, and you can share this link. If you're actually doing this for your customer, you can actually share this link to them once they make the payment to sell all this content to them, right? And the second way, you can even export into a PDF or text site, public link, export PDF and text also, right? Okay, this is how it look like also. So this is really easy way to generate, especially this is very useful when you want to create a pay app, Facebook app, Google app, or Bing app, okay, and anything content you want to post in social media, but you don't know how to write some content you want to promote, marketing content, sales content you want to promote a product or services, but you don't know how to write. But if you're going to hire someone from Fiverr, you're going to charge you a lot of money. Like by using this tool, one-time payment, you can make yourself an agency or a copywriting agency, and you can make a lot of profit out of this software itself. Right. So it's basically the idea behind this. So it's really easy, very simple, really so-called powerful app, right? So tech tech fast section, you're going to get all my bonuses here for sure, right? If you tech fast section, right? All right, and tech fast section, click the link below this video, come to my review page and get all the bonuses together with or insert and send to the Crea8AI. So I hope you have the better idea on what is all about, and I hope this app will definitely bring you your copywriting to the next level, and content is always the king, right? If you have the good content, definitely you're going to get more engagement, grow your audience, and ultimately you're going to get more sales and more profit to your business, right? Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.